Hi everyone, I'm Ariel from Zappos, and this is Leanna from CL By Laundry. This ankle boot is so cute and would go perfect with a nice pair of dark wash skinny jeans. Oh, I really wish I had a pair of these boots in my collection. It also has a faux leather upper that does come in two different colors. This one is the brown burnished, but it also comes in the black burnished. So I would definitely check that out if that is up your alley. And also has a zipper here on the opposite side to make on and off really easy. It has a ruched detailing here at the top of the shaft, as well as these decorative straps here around the ankle that give it a nice little touch. It has a soft fabric lining on the inside with a lightly padded footbed, as well as a rounded toe here in the front. There's a stacked heel on the back for a boost in height, and that's all on top of a man-made outsole. Be stylish with every step you take in this look from CL By Laundry.